Hello students, welcome to Standard 8th Geography class. Students, let's start our lesson with a beautiful slogan. Earth. Earth has always been a generous mother. She has always provided us with food, shelter and happiness. Let us return her favor by preserving and protecting her. I hope everyone will preserve and protect her by keeping our planet clean. Okay, so students, today we are going to start with the second lesson of geography, that is interior of the earth. Yes, what is inside our earth? Let us first know about the earth. The earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. As we know that the earth is the only planet known to have life. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Now, let's see the inferences about the formation and the interior of the earth. Now, what is the meaning of inferences? So, inferences means a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. So, the first inference is the earth was formed out of solar system itself. Initially, the earth was very hot and gaseous while rotating around itself. The earth cooled down. The process of cooling down of the earth began from the outer surface towards the earth's center. As its effect, the outer surface, that is the crust of the earth, is found to be solid and cooler. So, crust, mantle, and core are the three layers of the interior of the earth on the basis of the magma, gases, and steam coming out of volcanic eruptions. It is inferred that the earth's interior is hot. To know more about the interior of the earth, the man has also dug deep boreholes. Now, interior of the earth, just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Now, what is the meaning of concentric? Concentric means having the same center. Okay. So, just like onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Okay. So, layers of earth are, first one is crust, second one is mantle, and third one is core. Boiled egg is the best example to understand the concept of interior or the layers of the earth. The shell of the egg is like crust. Egg white is like a mantle, and egg yolk is like a core. Okay, now let's study each layer in detail. So, the first layer is crust. The uppermost layer of the interior of the earth is called the crust. It is solid in state. The crust is the thinnest of all the layers when compared to the mantle and core. So, here also in the picture you can see the uppermost layer, it is crust. Okay. Now, crust have two parts, continental crust and oceanic crust. So, here continental crust's thickness is approximately from 16 to 45 kilometers, and the elements which are found in the continental crusts are silica and aluminium, which is also called as Sial. And oceanic crust's thickness is approximately from 7 to 10 kilometers, and the element which are found in it are silica and magnesium. Okay, so now let's move to the second layer, that is the mantle. A mantle is a layer inside a planetary body bounded below by a core and the above by a crust. So mantles are made up of rock, are generally the largest and the most massive layer of the planetary body. So mantle lies below the crust of the earth, and the average thickness of the mantle is approximately is how much? 2870 kilometers. Okay, and the upper layer of the mantle is known as asthenosphere. It is more liquid in state, and mantle can be divided into two parts, that is upper mantle and lower mantle. So students, I hope you all understood the two concepts of the interior of the earth. Remaining part we will see in the next video. Thank you.